So I wanted to jump right into Schema. It's kind of interesting too, because I wanted to show you the effects of something called a entity relationship diagram, or an ERD, as you can see right here. The thing is, tables are known as entities. So sales entity, the products entity, the customer's entity. And then these three entities are related. So these lines represent the relationships between the sales, products, and customers table. Or I should really say among the sales, products, and customers. Also, something else to note is that this right over here represents that there's a many relationship, and this is the one relationship. In other words, there is one customer and one product for one or more sales items. What does that even mean? I'm going to talk to you about this in a lot more depth later, but for now, it's important to know that customers and the customer data will not repeat. If there is a ABC corporation with a customer ID of 1, that 1 will not repeat in the customers table. If there is a 1 and a product by the name of shoes in the products table, this 1 will not repeat inside of the products table. Over here, sales. Well, I'm going to sell shoes more than once. I'm going to sell perhaps shoes to the ABC Corp more than once. And as such, sales is going to contain multiple entries of products and customers. Right? So when somebody says entity relationship diagram, or they're talking about an ERD, they're really talking about the database schema and how the tables are related to one another. What makes it a schema is the fact that these columns exist inside of these tables or these entities. These columns right over here, as you can see, are inside of the tables. That's what makes it the customer's schema and the product schema and the sales schema. If I say the sales schema, I'm specifically referencing the columns that make up all of the elements in the sales table. If I say the product schema, I'm talking about all of the elements that are make up of the products table, and same thing with customers. If I do say the database schema, I'm referring to all of the entities in the database that make up that database along with their relationships. When I say database schema, I'm also referring to a ERD or entity relationship diagram.